Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're on the last leg of this section of I-49, beginning at mile 35 heading south. We begin in Crawford County, Arkansas, entering the edge of the town of Chester. Chester was platted in 1887 when the railroad was extended to that point, and a post office called Chester has been in operation since 1883. Chester had an estimated population of 157 as of 2019. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. We stopped at exit 24 to get a fresh cup of coffee from a Love's Travel stop. It was the worst cup of coffee I've ever had, which is highly unusual for these big name truck stops. I'm not sure what the deal was with it, but it was really, really bad. We enter the edge of the city of Alma, which lies mostly along I-40 a few miles east of here. Alma had an estimated population of 5,864 as of 2019. In less than a mile, I-49 comes to an end at I-40, which is concurrent with US 71. We'll be taking that west for a few miles to continue our trip south. The mile marker here at the southern terminus of I-49 is mile 20 because part of I-49 was once designated as I-540, which we'll be on in the next video. The miles begin at 1 on I-540 at the Oklahoma border and count up through the length of I-540. Then after a few miles following I-40, they continue up I-49 to the Missouri border. When I-540 became I-49, they kept the mile markers from I-540. There's an additional unsigned, disconnected section of I-49 that we didn't cover 11 miles south of the junction of I-49 and I-40. To get between Alma and Texarkana, we followed US 71, which is 169 miles of winding two-lane highway. We'll be covering that next. The future route of I-49 to close up this gap pretty closely follows the current US 71 route. Presumably they'll renumber the mile markers once the highway is complete, although there will always be two separate sections of I-49 in Arkansas since the route will cross a small corner of Texas. Currently, mile markers 20 through 42 are duplicated on the two different Arkansas I-49 sections. We enter the city of Van Buren, named not for dear Abby Van Buren, but for, at the time, Secretary of State Martin Van Buren, who went on to become the 8th President of the United States. The city was incorporated in 1845 and had an estimated population of 23,683 as of 2019. We conclude today's video at I-40's exit 7, where we'll get on I-540 south to prepare for our next video. If you're watching this video on the I-49 playlist and want to see what's in between the two Arkansas sections of I-49, switch over to our US 71 playlist now. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a like, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.